In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post journals and make adjustments in Zoho Books. This is a straightforward process that requires just a few steps, and I'm here to guide you through each one. First things first, we need to access the Zoho Books website. This is your main portal where all the magic happens. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Zoho Books. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the sign in button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that to get started. You'll be prompted to log in with your credentials. Make sure you have your login details handy. Once you've signed in successfully, you'll be taken to the Zoho Books homepage. This is the central hub for all your accounting needs within the platform. Now, once you're on the homepage, look towards the navigation menu and find the option labeled Accountant. This section is basically where you handle all accounting tasks, including posting journals. Clicking on Accountant will open up a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, locate the option that says Manual Journals. This is the feature we'll be using to post new journals or adjustments. Once you click on Manual Journals, it will direct you to a new section dedicated entirely to handling journal entries. Next, you'll see the New Journal button, usually positioned towards the top part of the screen. Click on that and you'll be directed to a form where you can input all the necessary details for your journal entry. It's important to fill in this form accurately to ensure your accounts are consistent and correct. In the journal entry form, be sure to enter the date for the journal entry, along with a description that gives context to the entry being made. This is incredibly useful for future reference. You'll also need to specify the accounts to be debited and credited, clearly define the amounts for each account to maintain balanced ledger books. Once you've filled out all the required fields, double check your entries for any errors or missing information. When you're confident that everything is accurate, look for the Save or Submit button, depending on how your interface is set up, and click it. This action will save your journal entry into the system. Congratulations, you've just posted a journal entry in Zoho Books. Frequent practice of this process will not only enhance your accounting skills, but also ensure your financial records are up to date and properly maintained. If at any point you need to edit or review past entries, you can find them in the same Manual Journals section we visited earlier. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the process of posting journals in Zoho Books. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials to simplify your accounting tasks. Have a great day.